My while true loop is getting stuck in Python. Hello, I have been working on an infinite while true loop for the main file in my Python code. I am working on a Raspberry Pi and my goal is that whenever one of the PO pins senses an input it will print out a string. However, when I push a button it will keep printing it infinitely and the only way for it to stop is by hitting Ctrl+C. While it is printing the same string over and over, no other button will change what happens. What am I doing wrong? Did I forget a step somewhere?
You need to keep updating your input_variables inside your while loop.
When you declare, you are assigning a value to those variables that will not change, because you are not updating them inside the loop. Therefore, you need to add a line in the loop that updates the inputs A, B, C, and D.
Add the break statement under each if statement. While you're at it, change the second to last ifs to elifs.
Why don't you try introducing a break for each if statement? It should stop it from looping infinitely. And updating your variables, i.e. the inputs should be in the while loop. E.g.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.